Do you know most students get simultaneous equations word problems wrong? Not because the math is hard, no, but because they don't know how to translate the story into equations. Hi everyone, I'm Elizabeth from Latosh Learning Academy, and today I'll show you a simple way to break down simultaneous equation word problems step by step. Let's get started. Now our question is, if Mary and Tom put their money together, they have 36 pounds. If Mary's money were tripled and Tom's money doubled, they will have 92 pounds. How much money does each have? Let's solve this question step by step. If Mary and Tom put their money together, Mary has an amount of money and Tom has an amount of money. We do know the amount. So we are going to represent the amount of money they both have by an alphabet. So let's say, M equals Mary's money and C equals Tom's money, Tom's amount of money. Now the question says Mary and Tom put their money together and it is 36, meaning M plus T is equal to 36. This will be equation 1. Now the second sentence, if Mary's money were tripled, Mary's money we don't know is M, it was tripled. This is 3M, good, 3M. And Tom's money doubled. If you double something, you multiply it by 2. It means 2 times T, that's 2T. They put that together too, and this gives us 92, meaning plus 2T is equal to 92 pounds. Let's call this equation 2. So we are able to translate our word problem into simultaneous equations. Let's go ahead and solve the simultaneous equation using elimination method. In this case, we are going to eliminate T. The first equation, T has coefficient 1. Then the second equation, T has coefficient 2. So we will multiply equation 1 by 2 so that the coefficient of T in both equations will be the same. So we can be able to eliminate T. So let's multiply equation 1 by 2. So we have 2M plus 2T is equal to 2 times 36 is 72. Let's call it this equation 3. Good. Now we have two equations with the same coefficients of T. Let's subtract equation 3 from equation 2. So we have 3M minus 2M give us M is equal to, then 2T minus 2T will give us 0. Then 92 minus 72 will give us 20. Therefore, our M, which is the amount of money Mary has, is 20. Let's go ahead and solve for T in equation 1. Let's use equation 1. It's simpler. So in equation 1, we have M plus T is equal to 36. Now we know our M is 20. So we can just put 20 plus T is equal to 36. Then we subtract 20 from both sides. We have 20 plus T minus 20 is equal to 36 minus 20. Now 20 minus 20 will give us 0. Therefore our T is equal to 36 minus 20 will be 16. Therefore M is equal to 20 pounds and T is equal to 16 pounds. Mary has 20 pounds and Tom has 16 pounds. I hope you see how simple it is. Until I see you in the next video, keep learning, keep practicing. Bye.